Genetic disorders. A genetic disorder is a medical condition that you are born with. Genetic disorders are inherited, which means they are passed down from parents through genes. Genes are the instructions for building an organism. They tell your body how to function and work. However, sometimes there can be errors or changes to genes which can lead to genetic disorders. Some examples of genetic disorders are cystic fibrosis, which affects the lungs and digestive system; sickle cell disease, which changes the shape of red blood cells; hemophilia, which affects how your blood clots. Before we talk more about how conditions are inherited, we need to learn about genotypes and phenotypes. Your genotype is your genetic code, the pair of genes you have for a trait, such as your eye color or a medical condition. Your phenotype is what we can see. It is how those genes are shown in your body, such as your blue eyes or if you have cystic fibrosis. Your genotype is often represented as letters. For example, someone may have a genotype B. Their phenotype would be that their eyes are brown. Their genotype is called homozygous dominant. Someone else with the genotype b would have blue eyes. Their genotype is homozygous recessive. Someone with the genotype B would be heterozygous. To have a genetic disorders listed earlier, an individual would need to have the homozygous recessive genotype. If someone has the homozygous dominant genes, then they will not have the genetic disorder. Individuals with heterozygous genotypes are carriers. They do not have the disorder themselves, but they are able to pass the gene on to their offspring. Here is a Punnett square to show how two heterozygous parents could end up passing the genetic condition on to their offspring. Offspring who inherit the H genotypes would not inherit the genetic disorder. Offspring who inherit the H genotypes will be carriers of the genetic disorder. Offspring who inherit the h genotype will have the genetic disorder. There is a 1 in 4 chance that the offspring will have the condition. This explains how children can inherit a genetic disorder even if their parents don't have it.